Hey everyone, quick video on this sliding gate that we've just put in at strongfencing.co.nz. This is like a 5 meter wide, 1.8 high security style fence. You can see it's got the spikes on top. It's like a medium spike, it's not the most intense one you can get, but it's pretty much a pretty good deterrent for people that are wanting to break into a business. It's fully welded aluminium, very strong, and also lightweight. So this particular customer wanted to close off the back area. They obviously have valuables on the inside, and also they wanted to extend their outside area because they wanted to be able to store this stuff outside in different bits and pieces. So this is installed with 2 posts. You can see 2 posts with these side rollers. It has to be installed with side rollers because it has this little extension at the top. Normally the rollers sit right at the top of the gate, but these ones sit down on this top rail, which sits about 100 mils down from the top. These are nylon rollers, and you can see how they operate. They basically just roll through the gate. Very strong. There's no automation on this, but we always put in a tail. This is the tail here, in case they want to put a automation on this later, they can do so, but obviously adding one later is going to be a little bit difficult, so we like to think about those things ahead of time. This one has a padlock, a manual padlock. This is a system that we've come up with, and it's pretty straightforward. They're able to actually reach around and use the key from the outside or the inside, but we can also mount them up here on this catch plate as well. So if you're looking for something like this, it's a pretty cool gate, very strong, sturdy gate, 1.8 high, in black. We can also do different colours if you want. Give us a call and we can help you out with your security fencing needs. That's strongfencing.co.nz.